G'day adventurers, here is another adventure cook-ups here on Every Road Adventures. We're all about helping you discover and create your own adventures. Well, this time you need to fuel your body up for the day. We're here by the banks of the Hollands Creek, so we're going to cook up this beautiful, nice, delicious, simple brekky wrap. Yeah, I forgot something.
What?
The chili flakes.
Dad.
I was going to cook up a chili scrambled egg wrap, but I've forgotten them. In this cook up, we're going to cook a scrambled egg wrap. Pretty basic, pretty simple, nice and hearty, healthy, and it's going to keep you full for the day. We're here on the banks of the Hollands Creek, so let's get stuck into it. We'll set up our cooker. Frying pan. We're going to need a cup.
Why do we need a cup then?
Because we've got to mix the eggs. We've got to beat the eggs up. Righto, we've got all our utensils out. The ingredients in this are pretty simple. We're just going to need some eggs, a couple of eggs, some milk, but we're also going to dice up some Strasburg. You could also use Polish sausage. Say that one 10 times fast. Polish sausage. Or you could even use some diced bacon. We just had some Strasburg in the fridge, so we're just going to dice that up. And a couple eggs, so let's get into that. Stras, onion. Whilst we cut this up, we'll just get this cooker cooking and warming up. We'll just cut a couple of slices of the Strasburg and we'll just dice this up. Just put that in there. Not much, just a drip. Whilst that is starting to brown off, I'm going to cut up some onion. This one's only a small onion, so I'm going to use a whole lot of it. Just like so, then we'll just chuck that in there. And we'll give that some time to cook up. Whilst we wait for this to all brown off and the onion to soften up, we'll do our eggs. So you want to pass me the eggs? Can you get me the milk, please? Let's grab our eggs, 2 of them. Try not to get any shell in there. Oh, done that well. Now we just need to drizzle a bit of milk in there. Not too much. Let's get them out of the way. We'll use our slave labour over there. And then all we need to do is whisk. Remember just to keep stirring this, unless you want your bacon or your Strasburg pieces all nice and crunchy, you just want to brown them off. We're nearly ready. So keep whisking until it's all the yolk and the egg white has all mixed together. All right, our egg is all mixed up now. Our onion's softened up a bit, our Strasburg's cooked through. It's all cooked enough. Now we just need to pour our egg mixture in, just like so. Once you pour your egg in, you just want to let it sit there and cook for a little bit, and it just helps cook, but it won't take too long. And then just continually stir it. You don't have to be too aggressive. Just basically scraping all the cooked egg mixture off the bottom. With the scrambled egg, you don't want to let it cook too long. Once it's all nice and fluffy, that's it. If you do that, all the moisture of the egg and whatnot starts to come out and you overcook it, you get dry eggs, you don't get nice fluffy eggs. And we're nearly done. Okay, just like that. Our eggs are cooked. I'll turn the heat off. All we need to do is grab the wrap out and then we can load our wrap. I'll just grab the one wrap out, one last stir, and then we'll just spoon the contents. Like so. There we have it. Our simple, hearty brekky wrap. Delicious. There we go, adventurers. Our nice, delicious, healthy, hearty, simple brekky wrap that you can cook on the side of the tracks in the morning before you head off and get to your day's adventures. Go and check out our other cook up videos just down below in the playlist, and I'll see you over in our next video. Sounds like all our friends are coming to visit this morning.
The cockies.
The cockies, yeah, they love us.